Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to set VLC Media Player as your default media player, then watch this video. So the first method is through setting it as the default player in the settings app. So right click on start button, go to settings and click on apps, click on default apps, look for VLC Media Player, click on this and then we will set it for one by the file type. For example, if I want to choose VLC Media Player to play .3gp files, video files, then I will click on this. I will click on video VLC Media Player and set as default. And this works for all type of file systems. If you want to say, if you wanted to open .3gp file by the Windows Legacy Media Player, so you could have clicked on this and you can click on Windows Media Legacy Player and set as default. Now this is one method to do it. The other method is through File Explorer. So let's click on this downloads and we will right click on the file and we will click on open with and choose another app and click on VLC Media Player and click on always because we want to set it as default always. Now if I want to say use Windows Media Legacy Player, then I will click on this and click on always, and this is how you set any player including VLC Media Player as your default app to play a particular video file extension. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.